Surely for this video, you will learn, you will amaze. If giunsa ang usa ka townhouse unit with a lot area of only 40 square meters turned into a 4-bedroom. I did sa ako ang townhouse. Ang ground floor na ay 1 bedroom. Ang second floor na ay 2 ka bedroom. So mao naabot siya 4 bedroom ang townhouse unit with a lot area of 40 square meters and a floor area of 50 square meters. This is the first bedroom na adri sa ground floor. Sa second floor, so diri naka-locate ang 2 ka bedroom. Ang ikaduhang bedroom, ikatulong bedroom guys. Then ikaapat na bedroom.